Have you been involved in a truck accident? In a moment I will give you vital information on what to do in order to proceed with your case. When this video has finished, you know what to do and how to do it. If you have been involved in a truck accident, then don't wait for too long before you seek legal advice from a skilled truck accident law firm. Having someone who is on your side in the process against, for instance, insurance companies or other stakeholders will relieve you from much of a burden. Having to take on insurance companies and the law without having the legal support that you need can be the difference between a total failure and a total success in your case. Do not go through this alone. Truck accidents will change your life like all accidents do, but what is special with truck accidents is that the damages can be really nasty. The accident itself is only part of what you will experience of what can become a very long process of claims, determining faults, recovering and getting a closure that feels that justice has been made. There are so many things to handle after a truck accident. A truck accident law firm can help you with the expertise and the persistence you need to drive a case and your rights to justice to completion. Medical costs in the United States can be very high and they will hit your economy at the same time as you will be dealing with injuries. This is likely to limit your ability to return to work in your full capacity. This combination of factors can be horrendous if you are left to deal with them on your own. A truck accident law firm will relieve you from part of the burdens you will experience after a truck accident. Not only that, the damages from a truck accident is often big and the cases become really complex as a result of that. Examples of tasks that a truck accident law firm will do for you are start to build your case, handle all communications with insurance companies, point you in the right direction for medical care you need, obtain police accident reports and thoroughly investigate a case, interview witnesses, collect documentary evidence to establish who is at fault and liable for damages, communicate with the employer, communicate with the manufacturer of a truck in case the problem is related to engineering errors related to the truck, negotiate a favorable settlement, and take a case to trial if a settlement is not possible. There are several reasons to why truck accidents occur. No matter how the accident occurred, your recovery is what matters the most. In order to properly heal from the incident, you will need financial compensation to cover your medical bills, lost wages and any property damage you might have experienced. Compensation in your injury claim can also cover for your loss of enjoyment of life and your pain and suffering. This is where the truck accident law firms will fight for full and fair compensation to reduce any financial burden and help your recovery and make you feel that justice has been fulfilled. When handling a truck accident lawsuit, time is key, along with attention to detail and technology. There is a statute of limitations from the date the injury occurred. Shortly after an accident, you may be contacted by an insurance company regarding a settlement. In the event you accept such an offer, you give up all your rights to sue for more money later, even if the injuries were unknown or worse than you initially thought. Do not discuss settlements with a claims adjuster until you have consulted with a specialized truck accident law firm. A truck accident law firm will carefully prepare and then drive a case to completion. The best firms have been fighting for many years with cases like these, so they have solid experience in handling cases of this nature. When handling insurance companies, they know how to handle them in the proper way, as some of the insurance companies tend to try to get away with as little liability as they possibly can. When the truck accident law firm go forward with your case, they will assign enough of resources to handle the case. Some of them even offer 24/7 contact interfaces through apps and hotline phone numbers. It's important for you to understand that even though you have done your parts towards an insurance company, paid the premium each month to fulfill your parts of agreement, have responded to their request for documents, etc., some companies are only focusing on their own business and not on fulfilling your rights to justice. The agreement you have with them outlines that if you had a truck accident, medical emergency or damage of catastrophic nature, the insurance company should cover for your losses according to the terms of your mutual contract. However, truck accidents can be far more multifaceted and complex, so it requires extensive experience to handle such cases. When an insurance company is gathering evidence to deny a claim, they are usually very deceitful about it. They trick the policyholder into believing that they just need a little bit more time, or one more document, or one more statement in order to finalize and pay the full value of a claim. Do not wait until you have a problem to protect your rights and yourself. You have legal rights to require insurance companies to timely evaluate and pay the full value of your claim in good faith. If an insurance company denies or undervalues a claim, they may allege that the loss is excluded from their policy, or that the damages are less than what the insured is claiming, or falls below the policy deductible. It might even be that the insurance company's so-called independent experts or independent adjusters have decided that no covered loss occurred, or that it is excluded from the policy. If an insurance company has failed to fully pay you within 30 days, then you need legal advice from a lawyer or an attorney. If an insurance company is making any unreasonable request, then you need to get legal assistance. If an insurance company is asking you for a sworn statement, you also need legal assistance. If an insurance company is asking you for any unreasonable request, you need legal assistance. Way too many people wait to contact the truck accident law firm because they think that they can't afford one. You can absolutely afford a truck accident law firm in insurance cases where you only pay them if an insurance company pays you. You might lose your claims in full if you are too late in seeking legal assistance. Most of the truck accident law firms does not charge you anything for the initial consultation to explain your rights to you, so you don't risk anything to seek legal assistance. Truck accident law firms know how to protect your rights and hold insurance companies accountable. Contact them as soon as you can. Go to the page we link to below in the description and then fill in your email address, state and type of case on the page that comes after clicking that link. And you will then see the right phone number to call, so that you get to talk to the right person or right office right away. I know that after an accident like yours there are a lot of things to do and it's hard to keep up the pace. Therefore I suggest that you subscribe to this channel to see when we release a new video. If you also click the bell icon and set it all, then you will also get a notification. On the next page you're asked to enter your email address, your state and type of accident. With this information we will direct you to the right number to call. Good luck!